Welcome to BSc Live Classes, the official YouTube channel of BSc Academy Guwahati. So today we'll be discussing some important questions regarding banking. Okay, since SBI Clerk is near the corner. Okay. So first of all, who is the chairman of SBI? This is a very basic question which you all must know since all of you are preparing for SBI Clerk. Is Dinesh Kumar Khara. Okay. Next, United Nations Day is celebrated on 24th October. Okay, so these are pointers, 19 pointers, so which you must keep in mind. Okay, head of national NDMA is Prime Minister. Okay, a lot of disaster relief work is going on. Okay, whereas various accidents do occur, then NDMA comes into play. Okay, so who heads that department is Prime Minister. Okay, WTO headquarters is in Madrid. What does CIBIL score means? CIBIL score means the credit score. Okay, so higher the score means more chances of loan getting approved. Okay, so generally banks or financial institutions do look at the CIBIL score before providing any loan. Okay, UAPA Act is Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. Okay, so it was passed in 1967. Next is Transparency International headquarters is in Berlin, Germany. Okay, so how many languages are there in Indian currency? 15 languages are there in Indian currency. Okay. Next is PM Savanidhi scheme. Okay. So it is designed for nano entrepreneurs. Who are nano entrepreneurs? Those entrepreneurs who are very small, okay, or working in a very small scale industry. Next, what is the full form of LRS? Liberalized Remittance Scheme. Okay. So full forms are generally asked in exam. Next, PCR means Public Credit Registry. Okay, DIPAM means Department of Investment and Public Asset Management. Okay, so public assets are which are being sold through this agency, DIPAM. Okay, next let's study something about LIC. So it's a central public sector undertaking in headquarters in Mumbai. So it was set up in 1st September 1956. Chairman is M.R. Kumar. Slogan is Your Welfare, Our Responsibility. Okay. Next, regarding IDBI Bank, it was set up in 1964. So one thing which you must remember, what is the full form of PCA means Prompt Corrective Action. So any bank which is not adhering to the banking practices being set up by RBI is put under PCA framework. Okay. Next, full form of Mudra is Micro Units Development and Refinance Agency, which is generally related to the small scale industry. Okay. Next, only country in the world to have a non-quadrilateral flag. As we know, the Nepal's flag is little bit different from the other flags, and that is why answer is Nepal. Okay. Ranthambore National Park is in Sawai Madhopur in Rajasthan. Okay. So another is Punho National Park. Punho National Park. Recently, cheetahs from Namibia were transferred to here. Okay, relocated to here, and it is in Madhya Pradesh. We know Madhya Pradesh has the largest forest cover as well as the largest national park. Okay. So what is white label ATM? ATMs which are owned by non-banking entities are known as white label ATMs. What is the full form of LAS? Loan Against Securities. Okay. Next, Hemis Festival is celebrated in J&K. Okay, what is the significance of stand-up scheme? It's a bank loan which is provided for SC or ST reserve category people between 10 lakh to 100 lakh. Okay. Next, International Tea Day is celebrated on 21st May. Next is only public sector reinsurance sector is GIC, General Insurance Company. It was set up in 1972. Headquarters is in Mumbai. Chairman and Managing Director is Debash Srivastava. Okay. Next, CEO of Amazon is Andy Jassy. Okay. Amazon started as a bookstore company. Okay. Next, Salim Ali National Park is in Jammu and Kashmir. Salim Ali is also known as the Birdman of India. Next, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao scheme was launched in January 2015 as a result, as a counter to the gender inequality which is prevalent in our society at that point of time. Okay, next Buksa Tiger Reserve is in West Bengal. Sundarbans is also home of West Bengal. ONDC is Open Network for Digital Commerce. Okay, it's a one unique platform to provide facilities of e-commerce and make the various products which are available online without any biasness. Okay. Next, El Salvador was the first country to adopt Bitcoin as a legal tender, and Central African Republic became the second to adopt Bitcoin as a legal tender. Okay. Next, world powerful supercomputer is first place is Frontier of USO. Second is Fugaku, and this is of Japan. Next, there was a new thing called digital banking units. Let's study what it is. Digital deepening financial inclusions. Prime Minister launched digital banking units in 75 districts. Okay. So what are those? Let's study about it. So digital banking units are specialized branches which are for delivering digital banking products. Okay. So these branches will be paperless. There will be facility through electronic point of EPS, that is electronic point of sales. Okay, and it will be enhancing digital literacy. Okay, so these are fixed points digital units, just like point of sales. Okay, so digital infrastructure is the main aim why they are being introduced, and certain minimum digital products and self-service are to be provided through this. Okay, so who is the next point? This is over. Let's study the next point. So as per the latest report of the National Statistical Office, okay, so it prepares various reports. So Andhra Pradesh has become the top performer in agriculture and allied gross value output. Okay, so gross value output of this much crore rupees. This is not very important. Only you must remember that Andhra Pradesh has become the top performer in agriculture allied gross output. Okay. So in this report, you must remember Kerala is the only state to have recorded negative growth of more than 10%. Okay. Who is the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh? Y. Jagan Mohan Reddy. And who is the Chief Minister of Kerala? Pinari Vijayan. Okay. Another question which is being asked is, who is the Governor of Kerala? Governor of Kerala is Arif Mohammad Khan. Okay. Next point. Madhya Pradesh emerged as the top in registering high course. This is about all the report which we have studied. Okay, only you must remember about Andhra Pradesh and who has registered negative growth, and that is Kerala. Okay, next is ducks. Okay, so in Super Tech University, Reserve Bank Advanced Supervisory Monitoring System. Okay. So this is a supervisory system, DUX system, which is being introduced by whom? Reserve Bank of India. Okay. So basically, what was the main objective is to provide the latest analytical tools, which is to provide efficiency through the use of electronic medium. Okay. So we all know web-based, so that the work is processed and refined in the electronic medium, and there is a seamless communication which being occur. Okay, so this is just to make the things easier through the electronic medium. Okay, so nowadays in the field of fertilizers, certain schemes are being taken. First scheme is Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samruddhi Kendras. Okay, so this is being under the Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizers. Okay, the things which I am marking, only you need to study those things. Okay, other things are additional information which is not very important from exam point of view. So it is given which are categories: agri inputs, then testing soil and fertilizers, generating awareness among them. Okay, so these things are not very important. Only you need to remember that fertilizers, what are the schemes that are being taken. Okay, next, Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jan Urvarak Pariyojana. Okay, so this is about the urea which is to be sold under the name of Bharat. Okay, this is very important. Brand name is Bharat. Okay, Bharat Urea banks are to be launched, and the main thing which you must remember here, the brand name will be Bharat. Okay, and again NSSO survey. So this is about the income levels. Okay, so here certain things are written about poverty line. Let's study about it. So about the Tendulkar committee, we all know that 27 rupee and 33 rupee are the threshold which are being set for the poverty line. Okay, so so this is not very important, but the Tendulkar committee is sometimes asked in exam. Okay, so you can just take a look about the Tendulkar committee report and C Rangarajan. Whether in SSC also the question is to ask about which two committees are related to poverty, and C Rangarajan and Tendulkar committee are very important. Okay. Next topic is about tokenization. Okay, very important topic. So we all know that point of sales are from debit card and credit card, but now tokenization was the cardholder can get token at the initiated open and token requester. Okay, so without the card information is to be stored, okay, for future transaction. Means you need not provide the card information every time. Okay, the information is stored. Okay, so in this you must remember in Amazon you have the save card option where you can save the card, and after making the next payment, in the next payment only you need to give the CVV number. So what is the full form of CVV? Card verification value. Okay, so let's look at the various definition. Merchants means shops having POS machines, okay, or the debit card machines which you see. Transaction platform means Amazon, all those things. And card issuer, obviously banks issues MasterCard or Visa. Okay, whether it be classic or any other kind of MasterCard. Next, token service providers are the card network. Token requesters are those where card networks needs to be registered, okay, to device, whether you use mobile, laptops, etc. Okay. So basically this thing is about speaking about the payment technology which is to be used. Okay. And for repetitive payment you can save the cards. Okay. Here only one thing you must remember, who is the payment aggregator. Payment aggregator is Google Pay, Amazon Pay and Paytm. Okay, some points are to be there. There is a secured mode. Obviously your card transactions will be saved. Okay, so secured mode will be there. Okay, so other than this thing, tokenization, nothing can be done. Okay, so it's a token which will be provided, so it will be more safer than providing the entire card details to the merchant. Okay, in case of recurring payments, this will be very much helpful. Okay, so now earlier you have to provide the CVV. Okay, now CVV is not required, only a token number is required. Okay, again the token requester also cannot take your PAN or card number. Okay, so this much in use. Basically it is about providing more safety net to the customers. Okay, in this you just remember all the terms which have been given, payment aggregator and all those things. Okay, other than that nothing is required, and how the safety net is established, only that much is required. Okay, so this is the second class on SBI Clerk. We will be continuing this class. Okay, if you like the video, do like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.